Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have one of the best tutorials for you. We'll be walking you through the steps to create your own slow DNS server and how to set it up on the TLS Tunnel app. If you're into VPNs and hidden tricks for better online security and faster connections, you're in the right place. Make sure to check out our blog for more tips and tricks. Before we jump in, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It really helps us out. All right, let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. In the search results, find the official UDP Custom website and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our V2Ray Slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, you'll see a menu button, typically located in the top corner. Click on it to see a list of options. From the menu, click on Slow DNS Server. This option allows you to create your slow DNS server. You'll then be directed to the server location selection page. Now, select your preferred server location. After that, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Enter your username and complete the CAPTCHA. Then click Create Now. Your server details will be generated within seconds. Make sure to copy or note down the server information. You'll need it for the next steps. Now that we have our server ready, let's set it up on the TLS Tunnel app. First, make sure you have the latest version of the TLS Tunnel VPN app installed. Go to the Play Store, search for TLS Tunnel, and install it if you haven't already. Also, remember to install the TLS plugin from the Play Store. This is necessary for the TLS Tunnel app to work smoothly. Once installed, open the app and you'll be taken to the home page. Now, we're going to configure the app to connect using the slow DNS server. Click the Automatic button to expand the Automatic section. Then click the Settings or Private Server button at the top. A small window will open where you can paste the server details. Enter the server or IP, port 22, username, and password that you copied earlier. Once done, click Apply to save. Now let's set the connection method. A small window will pop up. Click to expand the list. From the options, choose DNS Tunnel. Then in the next pop-up, select the tunnel type as UDP53. If you're using DOT or DOH, remember to set the port to 853. Next, enter Google DNS Server 8.8.8.8 in the required field, then set the port to 53. In the requested domain field, paste the name of the server you copied earlier. Finally, paste the public key from the UDP Custom website. Once everything is correctly filled out, click the Save button in the top right corner. With everything set up, click the Start button to initiate the connection to your secure web server. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.